Merry Christmas! Welcome back to another tutorial. Today we learn to design a poster. It is Christmas poster. If your first time, please subscribe and turn on notification to get another tutorial. Let's get start to the video. The first, I create a new document. I use shortcut Ctrl N. The poster I use A4 size, so I go to print. I choose A4. And I put the name of document. Everything I don't change and I click on create. This is our interface we will design on it. Before design, I save it first. I go to file, click on save as for the first save and choose the place you want to save and click save. For next step, I add a solid color. I click on create new fill or adjustment layer and choose solid color. I use this color and OK. I Ctrl J to duplicate layer. For above layer, I make it noise. To make it noise, I go to filter. I stand on noise and add noise. I convert to smart object. Amount I put 20%. I use uniform and OK. And I lock layer. For next step, I insert Christmas grass. You can download it on link in description. It is Illustrator file. I double click to open. And I drop it to Photoshop by drag it. I rasterize layer to unlink from Illustrator. Right click and rasterize layer. Ctrl J to duplicate. Ctrl T. Right click and flip vertical. Select both layer and Ctrl J. Ctrl T. Right click and choose flip horizontal and drag to another side. I select all of grass layer and Ctrl G to make group. For next step, I add curve to make grass symmetry with the background. I click create new fill and choose curve. Right click and create clipping mask. Okay, next step I add shadow to the grass. I click on effect and click drop shadow. Blend mode I choose multiply opacity 55%, angle 90 degree, distance 12, size 100 pixels and OK. For next step I add bias. I put this one. And I add icon and element over here and over here. And for another side, I select all layers and Ctrl G to make group. And I put shadow on it as well, so I just copy from the previous group. Select on it and right click, copy layer style and click on the group or layer that you want to put effect and right click and paste layer. Another layer and I want to put grass over here one more, so I copy from this layer, I Ctrl J. And I add D. I use Type tool and tap number 0. And I change font. The font of it is Merry Christmas Star Regular. You can download it on link in description. And I put gradient to it. And I go to Effect. I choose blending option. I need gradient overlay, but I don't see it. I just click here and we will see it. And I click gradient overlay. Click here to change color. Click basic. I choose this color. And if you want to change color, just double click and choose the color you want. And another side as well. Okay. And I want to put drop shadow one more. I click on drop shadow. Okay. For next step, I add text. I use text tool. You can tap or Ctrl V to paste. I Ctrl J to duplicate and put number 0 and change font to Christmas. I put effect. I copy from this layer. I stand on it, right click and copy layer star. Click on it, right click and paste layer star. I add one more text. I click on Dear and Ctrl J to duplicate and drag it down. Tap or Ctrl V to paste. For next step, I add bow. I put this one. And I put it below the grass. Drag it down. And I put shadow on it. Go to Effect and drop shadow. Everything I don't change and OK. And I add another text. I duplicate the text. I Ctrl V to paste. And I copy the effect from this text layer. Stand on it, right click and copy layer star and paste to this layer. And next step, I add noise to this text layer to make it look like gold. The first I work on Merry layer. Go to filter, convert for smart filter. Filter again, noise and add noise. Amount I put 20 and OK. And next layer. Okay, finish. And for final step, I show you how to export it. I go to File, Standard Export and click Export as JPEG. File name you can change or put as you want and click Save. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment. See you in the video.